Using the V2L function, you can operate electronic devices utilizing the vehicle's high-voltage battery. To use electricity outside the vehicle, a V2L connector is required. Open the outlet cover of the V2L connector, plug in the electronic device, and close the cover. Press the open switch at the top of the connector to open the terminal protection cap. Now open the charging door and connect the V2L connector to the vehicle's charging inlet within 60 seconds. Press the power switch on the V2L connector. The status indicator will light up and power supply will begin. To use electricity inside the vehicle, set the vehicle to Power On or Utility Mode. To use Utility Mode, the Ready indicator should be on in the cluster and the gear should be in P. Go to EV, Electric Vehicle, Utility Mode in the infotainment system and set Activate Utility Mode. The Drive Ready indicator will turn off and the Util indicator will light up. The parking brake will automatically engage. There's a power outlet available inside the vehicle. Open the power panel cover on the right side of the tailgate and plug in the device. If the power panel indicator is green, power supply is normal. If it is red, plug is connected but power is not in use. If it is blue, it is on standby. To use V2L both outside and inside the vehicle simultaneously, first connect the V2L connector outside and then use interior V2L. Set a discharge limit to prevent battery depletion during use of V2L. On the EV screen of the infotainment system, select the EV charging settings at the bottom and go to electricity use settings to adjust the discharge limit. When the charge remaining in the battery decreases to the preset discharge limit during V2L use, the V2L function will automatically shut off. Do not use electric heating appliances inside the vehicle. Do not touch the V2L connector, charging inlet, or power plug with wet hands. Always check that connectors and plugs are free of water, dust, or debris before connecting. If rain or moisture enters electronic devices, power strips, or extension cords, it can cause electric shock or damage the vehicle or devices. When using electronic devices outdoors, only use waterproof products or operate them in a dry environment. Do not use electricity function when lightning is expected.